my name is Rosemary and I would like to welcome you to Agoura Dental. Our friendly and knowledgeable team will surely make you feel at ease through your dental care experience. Our goal is to provide you with care that will last a lifetime, so we invite you to join our family.
I've been coming to Dr. Choroomi's office for at least 4 years now. I've had everything from simple cleanings to very complicated root canals here. They are wonderful, the staff is wonderful, they're very professional, but they also treat me like family. I recommend them highly to anyone.
Welcome to my practice. I'm Dr. Choroomi and I'm a certified dentist by the Dental Board of California. I graduated from the University of Pacific in San Francisco and continued to earn numerous certificates and awards in the field of cosmetic and restorative dentistry. I love my profession and care very much for each and every one of my patients. I strive to provide the most up-to-date treatment options while making my patients feel as comfortable as possible.
Had a couple different procedures done. One of the ones that I was a little scared about was a root canal, but Dr. Choroomi took very well care of me and made me feel very good at home.
I'm committed in providing my patients the absolute best dental care in a warm and welcoming environment. I work hard to establish a team of general and specialized dentists along with a skilled hygienist. Our welcoming atmosphere makes it enjoyable to come to work every day.
I've been coming to Agoura Dental for approximately 5 years, and so far my experience has been great. The front office is very efficient, very courteous, and they are very prompt in reminding you about your appointments. As far as the dental services are concerned, I am completely satisfied. The treatments have been very professional and painless. My only regret is that I haven't discovered this office sooner.
Dr. Choroomi, he's very sensitive to insurance issues and is always willing to work out a payment plan or a way to cover whatever it is that needs to be done so that you're not financially strapped or going paycheck to paycheck.
I really love working for Agoura Dental. I enjoy coming to a place that is comfortable but yet a professional atmosphere. Dr. Choroomi is an exceptional dentist and he really cares about each individual patient. He likes to be involved every step of the way when it comes to their first initial examination to the very last appointment for treatment. It is a pleasure working with Dr. Choroomi, and his patients simply refer to him as the doctor with the gentle hands.
I love being a dentist because how you feel about yourself personally and professionally is greatly impacted by your smile. Let me help you to get a healthier and more beautiful smile.